In 9 hours spread over 3 days, these 4 ladies participated in a flamenco dance and music intensive workshop. Here they're working on their upper body. Later we worked on footwork and syncopation. And then we learned about the relationship with the guitar to the dance. We also looked at flamenco singing and how the singing relates to the guitarist and the dancers. Here they're learning about the rhythm, structures such as temple, remate, llamada, cambio. All these structures, or agents of change as I like to call them, allow the dancers to interact with the music. Then they learned 2 verses of sevillanas out of the 4. Here they're learning to partner, so the next time there's an opportunity for them to dance sevillanas in a celebration, they can get up there and dance. Here they're learning to play castanets. They had never played castanets ever in their lives, and they went from 0 to learning this carretilla, which is the most difficult part. Then they learned a pattern in sevillanas and to introduce it into movement. But I have my ways of teaching it, and they did really well. Next they learned posteos. This is another element of castanets that they learned, and we did it in a fun exercise. Finally, I created a short choreography for the dancers that incorporated all the material for the exception of castanets that they had learned in the past 3 days. It's really an opportunity for them to explore the movement in a different context. I really enjoy teaching. I love dancing, and flamenco is my language through which I express myself. In 35 years, I've come across many different learners. I myself am my number 1 student, and I continue to train, research, and explore different modalities in choreography. I really enjoy seeing my students evolve and reach their personal and professional goals.